Various strategies have been implemented by stakeholders across the country, led by KMFRI in partnership with the Food and Agriculture Organization FAO, to ensure the protection of oceans and marine life while advancing food security. Our reporter Quinto Wafula now takes us through the arrival of a research vessel in Kenya's waters of the Indian Ocean, owned by FAO in collaboration with the government of Norway, and how it is helping unlock the potential of the blue economy. Take a look at this.
This is the RV Nansen, which was in Kenya waters for 21 days until yesterday, a research vessel owned by FAO and the government of Norway, and the only research ship sailing under the United Nations flag. Its arrival has raised hopes for Kenya to gain a deeper understanding of its section of the Indian Ocean and unlock new investment opportunities.
It was an ecosystem and fisheries survey just to assess the oceanographic and ecosystem health and the fishery status in our water body.
They need this information in order to be able to understand better how the ocean works, how the mechanisms of the food web are operating in the ocean, and how the environmental conditions are affecting the distribution and abundance of organisms.
On board are specialized facilities ranging from the captain's bridge to advanced research laboratories. They include fish analysis units where samples collected during surveys are examined, as well as high-tech equipment that enables scientists to study the ocean in unprecedented detail. Researchers have held the vessel's 21-day mission in Kenya, but are calling for greater investment in the sector. They argue that adequate funding for research and modern equipment will go a long way in helping the country harness the immense wealth found in its marine resources.
It has massive economic potential. Projection has shown that with the right investment, both fisheries, maritime and mining, this sector can contribute up to 500 billion. And by this, we'll be able to cut significantly in terms of domestic and external borrowing. Among
the key areas of focus for the scientists is the level of ocean pollution. The assessment paints a grim picture, warning that if the world fails to take responsibility, oceans could contain more waste than fish within the next 50 years, with far-reaching consequences for marine ecosystem and the world at large.
And I was trying just to imagine that if the ocean was a person, and maybe to do an email, what could be the subject line? And then I came to realize they tell us, please, we are not a trash can. Stop polluting the ocean.
So we need to try to improve our fisheries management system also in Kenya to ensure the sustainability of the fisheries resources we are interested in.
Researchers on board are also advocating for greater emphasis on ocean conservation and stewardship within Kenya's CBE curriculum, saying this will help cultivate a culture of responsibility toward marine environments from an early age.
We can have ocean literacy embedded in our curriculum so that we start cascading that culture at even at the grade 1, grade 2 level, so that when they grow up appreciating the importance of this conservation, we'll be able now to mitigate this problem.
The RV Nansen set sail yesterday for Madagascar, where it will continue its scientific research missions across the region.
Quinto Wafula, TV 47, Mombasa.